Right, let's look at this little house which has two axes of symmetry. One that goes like this, smack down the middle, and the other that goes like this. So by all standards, it's completely wrong. Well, let's get rid of these axes of symmetry. Let's use a C cut. Right, then we can make a volume pop out here. Maybe there's a texture on top of it. And yeah, simple as that. We need to be careful that the C isn't symmetrical as well. You can go for a U as well, or an L. You can go for an L here. But again, careful so it's not symmetrical. It should be closer to 1/3. Okay. Cool. Don't forget to add a bit of entourage, a bit of an alley, a walkway, shrubs. And this is your new house. Take care, dwell nicely.